Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can rewatch anyone's TikTok live stream, and I'm going to share with you step by step how you can do this. So the first step is you need to come to this website right here, which is Stream Recorder. I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the comments below. You should see it pinned at the top. And when you're on this website, you'll see this come up right here. So it's very straightforward how to sign up. I'm going to share with you how quickly and easily to sign up. First, I'm going to log out, and now all I do is click on Start for free. Now there's plenty of options here. You want to click on create account right here. Now when you click on create account, it'll bring up this right here. So you can sign up with Google, sign up with Discord. It's very straightforward. But for this example, I'll show you how to do it with this. So I'm just going to do it with email. So just fill in the form like I'm doing right here. So as you can see, this is all you need to do. You just need to fill in this information here, which is your username that your account will be named after, your email address, and your password. And then all you do next is click on create account. So this is what you do next. So once you're on the home page of this, once you've logged in and created your account, you can now go to recording here. So if you click on recording, the tab right here, you can either link a live stream, or if you have a name of the live stream, you can put it in here. So what you do is you go to whatever live stream you want, and you just grab the link, go back into here and copy the link in here. That's all I do. I normally, and then I'll look for the actual right here. This is a TikTok right here. As you can see, it's already been added, and you can see he's live streamed live right now. He doesn't have any other live streams, so I'm guessing he doesn't save them. But this does work. As you can see, I've done it with another streamer here. It's just a random streamer I found. You can see the previous streams. So up to 60 streams should be saved on here. If you go to the home page too as well, and you go to the platforms, so on the home page right here on streamrecorder.io, go to the drop down tab here, platforms, and then go down to TikTok. It brings up a lot of different streamers here, a lot of random streamers. If I just go on any of them, I'm sure I'll pop up all their last streams. So we'll just click on this one here, monitor this streamer, so it will automatically go onto into my back end here. So there you go, just a random streamer here I've just got, and you can see it's saved up to 41 streams. Now it's got all the streams right here. This is because I am premium. You would only get probably the first two if you're just signed up, but if you do get premium, you will have them all here, and you can download the streams too if you want to. Mainly this is what the platform's used for: edit clips. Maybe you want to take streams. You can do this for TikTok, you can do this for Twitch. It works for both. That's why it's so useful. So what you can do is you can click on download at 1080p right here. You can watch the full stream, click on it and watch the stream, and it will load up the stream right here, as you can see. So this is just a random one I found. I'm just showing you as an example here, but that's how simple it is. You can watch all the streams. And if we go to the premium area, so this is what you need to actually do. If you get the premium subscription to this platform, you get the full access to everything. So the last 60 days right here. So where is it? So the last 60 days saved and full access to everything. So you can have up to 100 streamers on here. Now, like I said, this can be used for Twitch, TikTok, Kick, a bunch of different platforms. So you can see all the list of platforms right here. So if we go back to the home page, right here, you can see all the platforms that you have access to. So Twitch, Kick, TikTok, A3, I don't know what all these others are, but there's a bunch of them. So the main ones, TikTok, Kick, and Twitch. So you can watch all the previous streams. You can download your streams. So that's one thing that this is useful for. If you're an editor or content creator, you can download your previous streams, or other people that you work with. Maybe you work with people, you can download their streams. Very easy, and then you can edit them at 1080p, 60 FPS. So that's just a quick lesson I want to share with you how you can do this. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. And if you do want to use this platform, I will leave a link in the description and in the comments, and I'll also pin it in the comments, so it'll be at the top. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later. All right.